So it's the time. You could see that how things be done. You might have seen. Well, so here the mental condition. The two artists in the present story, the leaf, there are two young artists. That is Sim and Johnson. Sim and Jancy were the two young artists. What happened? That Johnson fell ill. She was seriously ill in the month of November. Which month? In the month of November. Which month? In the month of November. There were two artists, that was she and the Johnson. They were the young artists, they were the young artists, but Johnson fell seriously, she fell seriously in the month of November due to pneumonia. See the spelling. It is written as pneumonia, but pronunciated as pneumonia. See, one day when the condition was not changed, she sent for the doctor, although the doctor came every day, but there was no improvement at all. What may be the reason? What may be the reason? The reason is here that what the doctor says, John says, it seems that she has made up her mind that she is not going to get it. Made up her mind. Dear children, it is your thought process. The way you think you become. Mind it. The way you think you become. Remember that if you are thinking in a positive way, certainly a positive result will. So I always request you to be positive. Don't look for problem. Look for solutions. If you are looking for solutions, you will certainly get some solutions. If you will try to solve the problem, another problem will come. To solve a problem, there is a problem. So don't see what is the solution. If you are looking for solutions, there will be no problem at all. What she said, if she does not want to leave, medicine will not help her. Medicine can cure you when you want to get well soon. If you don't want to get well soon, no medicine in the world can cure you. Remember, my dear children, no medicine in the world can cure you. Here you see what it is said. Here it is. If she doesn't want to leave, medicine will not help her. Very clear. John C. did not want to get well. What is the reason? See the reason. She tried her best to make John C. take interest in all the things. Her friend Sue, she tried her best. What she has tried her best to make John C. to take interest in things that is around. Look at this thing, see the things. That's as you see, when you become ill, how your family, supports you, how they want to make you happy, how they tell that why you are lying like this boring way. Don't lie in this boring way. Do something, do some interesting thing. Even if you are ill, you can do so many things that is very much interesting. You can watch something, you can do sits properly, or you can do many things else. So she talked about the clothes and fashion. She talked about clothes and fashion. But Jonesy did not respond. There was no response at all. Jonesy continued to lie still on her bed. What happened? She continues to lie on her bed in still condition. She brought her drawing board into John's room. The drawing board, as they were painted, you might have seen the drawing board onto which something is drawn, pasting a page, and started painting. What did started painting? To take John's mind for her illness, she wished while working. Why she was doing so? Here you see how the friend is helping his friend. A friend is helping his friend. Sue and Jonesy both are the great friends. And how a friend is helping his or her friend to come out. Look at, she talks about her interest, she talks about clothes, she talks about fashions. Now she's painting. Why? So that she could get her mind, draw from that psychological set of mind, that psychologically she was in that sort of mind that she does not want to get with you. This is what she was negating. John said doesn't want to get with you. That's why no physician, no medicine was helpful for her. So, in order to get her attraction, her friend Shiv talks about her interest, talks about fashion, talks about clothes. But even if she brings some drawing boards, suddenly she heard Jansi whisper something. Suddenly, doing a lot of things, she was able to get some kind of Jansi's attention. She was able to attract her towards. She whispered. If you whisper, you speak very slowly, softly, whispering. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting the backwards. He was counting backwards. Backward counting. What is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, like this. Coming down, backward counting. Upward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up. Backward from 9, 100, 99, 90, 98, 97, like this backward counting. What she was doing? Counting backward. What she was counting? Here you see. She was looking out of the window and was saying that there was a window and she was looking at that window and what she was counting. What she said? 12. 12. She was looking out saying 12. After some time, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. In this way, she was back counting. She was anxious. What Jonesy was doing? Looking at the window. She was looking at the window. I was counting back. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. What was the response? She was anxious. If you are anxious, you are worried. Out of it, she saw an old ivy creeper plant. I will keeper climbing. Creeper is a kind of a plant that creep and climb करके, like money plant is a creeper plant. If you plant a money plant in front of your window, keep it the pot, gradually the money plant will climb on your window. So it may be like that creeper plant. So she was old ivy climbing half of the bricks wall opposite their window. Wall के there was a wall in opposite of the window, and onto that wall the creeper plant was climbing. And you see, please imagine that there is a window. Suppose there is a window, this is a window, and there is a wall, and you are here, you are looking out of that window. From that window, you could see the wall of that house, onto which the creeper plant was climbing. Onto which the creeper plant was climbing. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shaking flat. The wind, whenever the strong wind blew, the creeper plant was shedding its leaves. What it was shedding? Gradually the leaves were shedding one by one. And that is what she was counting. What she was counting 12, suppose it has 12 leaves. One by one the leaf was falling down and she was counting. Was it? What is it here? What is it, dear? She asked. She was surprised. Why? Why her friend Johnsy is counting the falling leaves? What is the reason? 6. Now the sixth leaf has fallen. Whispered, they are falling faster now. The leaves, the leaf of that creeper plant that was on the wall opposite of the window was falling gradually. It was moving fastly now. There were only left, 5 left. How many? 5 leaves only. Only 5 leaves were left. Just see, 5, and they were falling fast. It is ago there is almost 100 leaves. How many? Almost 100 of leaves were there, but only 5 leaves remained on that. There is only left 5. It's an autumn. As here you see the consoling, how a good friend consoles his friend. Oh my dear, it's an autumn. It's natural that whenever the autumn will come, the tree will shake its leaf. Why you are associating yourself from that leaf? As it is autumn, here you see how Shiv console him, her friend, making her understand that it is natural as it is month of autumn. The leaf would certainly fall. And the leaf will fall. When the last leaf will fall, I will die. Here you see. John C. said that only 5 leaves are left. When the last leaf will fall, I will die. The last leaf. So the last leaf is related to my life. This is the word. I have known this for the day, said the Johnsy with faith. And I have known this for the last 3 days. For the last 3 days, John C. was in that kind of psychological influence as she has related her illness to that tree. You see, my dear children, psychology is something that has a very great influence in our mind. I am going to tell you a very short story. That's a person visited a medical shop, said, please give me a tablet so that I could sleep peacefully. As physician cannot give a tablet of a sleeping tablets. He has only given Digene, a tablet that helps to digest. But he did not say, well, okay, take this. And the man has taken the pills, thought, though he was consuming Digene, which helps in digestion, but he thinking that he is taking a sleeping pill, he digests it, swallow it, and drink a glass of it. He slept for 8 hours. This is psychology. This is psychology. The pill has nothing to do. It was the psychological impact of his mind that the person was consuming Digene, but he was saying that he is consuming sleeping pills. So he slept for many hours. Here, John C. has associated herself with the leaf. The life, actually, there was no connection. She was ill. It was autumn. The leaf will fall. It is natural. It is quite natural. For many years, we have seen, in every year we see that whenever the autumn comes, the old leaves sheds from the tree and the new leaves comes. Patajan, common. पत्तों का झड़ना autumn season common. What she said, oh, that's nonsense. Why it was a nonsense? Nonsense is having no sense. If something is nonsense, having no sense. Why it was a nonsense? Because you see, illness has nothing to do with that leaf. The leaf that was falling, it was falling due to the autumn, not due to the illness of, not due to the Johnson's illness. But you see how she has associated herself with that. This was nonsense. And we are in habit of adding, linking ourselves with so many nonsense things. Dear children, life never runs with nonsense things. Nonsense things are not meant for your life. You should not allow nonsense things to get over you. Be practical, be logical, because you have strong reasoning. Be logical. What is logic? What is the reason? What is the significance of that I believe? The significance of the I believe was that Jones has associated her illness with that leaf which was gradually falling due to the autumn. It was not falling due to the illness. The leaf was falling due to the autumn because during the autumn the leaf will gradually fall. It is natural. But it is, see the nonsenseness. See the nonsenseness. It was nonsenseness of James saying it was quite mindlessness. Mindless. There was no mindfulness. She was quite, and it was quite idiotic things that she has linked herself. Illness that when the last leaf will fall, she will die. That is the importance. And if you have that kind of psychological aspect, psychological influence your mind, look what is done. What have a role I believe to do with your getting well? What is to I will want, what is to get? There is no connection between your health, between your illness and the falling of the leaf. The doctor is confident that you will be get better. There is no connection. It is your mind. It is your thought process that you're thinking that your illness is due to in spite of the storm. The leaf did not fall because it was not a real leaf. In the end of the story, we come to know that the painter has painted the leaf, the last leaf painting, though it was looking appear. The painter has painted the leaf on the window, which appears that it was not falling, and that's makes. This is the end of the story. So, did not say anything. She went to brought her a bowl of soup. I don't want any soup. Said, I am not hungry. Now there are only 4 days. When the last day will fall, she will die, she said. Now the 4 leaves. I want to see the last leaf once fall before. I will get died, then I will sleep forever. She said that I want to see the last leaf that is falling.